Come on then, Jenny. Show me where you live.
Up there.
Come on then.
Oh, it is. Hello. Go on, Jimmy. It's good of you to bring him home, officer.
We were thinking of adopting him, Mrs. Draper. Said my sergeant reckoned we couldn't afford to keep him in chocolate.
See, it's not all my fault. You encourage him down there. That's what it is. Load of old softies, you lot. I'll stand there grinning like a Cheshire cat. Come have a cup of tea. Just made a pot. Go on, you look as if you need one.
Well, I shouldn't really.
Sit yourself down here, young man. I'll bring it out to you.
Thank you.
It's not often I get visitors these days. It's only since his father left home, you know. He's been wandering off like this. Used to be a close-knit family. Till she came along.
Mrs. Draper, do you know the three lads that own that lock-up over there?
That one opposite?
Yes.
No, like to though, noisy beggars. Had me up since the early hours. They're banging and drilling. All those sparks flying about in there. Don't know what they're up to.
Mrs. Draper, can I use your phone? It's urgent.
Help yourselves in the hall.
You'll see that I'm right, Roy. Don't you worry about that.
You're in a fantasy world, Robert.
You think so?
Hello? Edwards?
A panel beater over here has reported that his lock-up's been broken into. His tools and his welding equipment's gone. I mean, over here, just across from where I am at the moment. Mrs. Draper's, sir.
Yeah, but hang about, let's get this straight. The panel beater lives just near where your lads were last reported. That right? Now, this Mrs. Draper, she reliable? Good. Now, she says they've been drilling and banging since the early hours. Right. Now, I'll tell you what to do, my son. Stay put, don't do anything till I get there. All right? Now, where's this place? Yeah, I know. It's at the back of the parade, that right? Yeah. All right. Right, that's it. I'll be there as soon as I can. You did well, my son. See ya. Know what, Bob? Sounds like a job for Alfie Mullins.
Yeah? If he was still alive.
Yeah. I hate to admit it, but I might owe you an apology. Well, come on then. Let's see what we can get together. Come on, move it. Edwards. Just see a van coming along now.
Yeah, that's them, sir.
What can you see?
Right. We'll give them a moment to go in, settle down. Then we'll go in, box them up nice and neat. Right. Cars are in position now. Remember, no messing about, straight in. You ready? Let's go! Hang on, Dasher! Right! Go! Yes, son! Hey, steady, Bob. Word for Alfie Mullins.
It was Eddie, not me! Ah!
Hey, remote control. Get out there. Tell them not to transmit on their personal radios. Old bloody lot will go off. Go on, quick!
Moscow to Uniform 600. Do you read
Don't
me?
use your
Over.
radios! Don't transmit!
This is...
What bloody idiot did that?